All right, so now that we're recording, my friends who are at OSU today, have fun. Enjoy the mall, too. I don't quite know exactly how the mall ties in. But here's what's up. They will if they watch the video. They can't hear you right now. I mean, that would be like live streaming some sort of magic. They're on the bus watching math class at the very Hopefully, they are talking to each other as opposed to being on their phone. Here's what we're doing. We are not going to move forward. 424 is actually meant to be a 2-day lesson, which was my plan of like, we'll just do day 1 here with us and then day 2 with everybody. But I mean, look around. We got like 10 of us, so we are at less than 50% of our class. So I felt like that would be a poor choice. So we're going to do some more Desmos activities. You do not need... Hey, I'm answering the questions that like 5 of you have asked. You do not need to do the 424 homework tonight. However, if you have time, you might as well do it because you got to do it later. Like it's going to be assigned next week. So I will not be collecting 424 next week. Next week on Monday, I'll be looking for 421, 422, and 423. Those 3 assignments. If you have them done, you can turn them in here in a minute. Chill, just sit for a second. So today you have options, and if we all want to be on the same thing, totally fine. Or if we all want to be doing different things, totally fine. I can launch as many of these as we want. So I just wanted for us to talk about these, and then we can decide what we want to do. So all of these come from our Chapter 4 Proportions and Expressions study. So the first one would have been from the beginning of Chapter 4, where we look at building a house and how we can use scale drawings to kind of lay out some blueprint type things. So if you are interested in like architecture or that sort of stuff, I can launch that for you. In 421, there was an activity about running and like speed and distance and rate and those sort of things. Also 2 other ones, produce stand activity dealing with price of fruit and things we've talked about, or gas pump ripoff, where you have to see if you're being ripped off by the gas pump or not. These are the ones we looked at yesterday, yogurt shop and click battle. So if you did not get much time to go into click battle and fight the robots, I could launch that for you. This one's kind of tough. So if you want a challenge, and not tough as in like it's hard for no reason, but like you just have to think, and it's kind of Tetris-y. So first you have to figure out how to get the tiles to fill the entire space. Then we use our proportional thinking to extend on what we had done by filling the first square. And then if you want to work further than that, we don't have anything. So we have up through our lesson yesterday with activities here in Desmos. The most advanced one, I guess, would be tile pile because that comes from 423. But then we have the other ones back here as well. I would say build your house might be a little bit easy for us, but that's totally fine if you want to work on that. If you're interested in that, I'm fine with you doing that. So, Brody, did I see that you wanted to do the tile pile one? All right, so let me go. Anyone who wants to do tile pile, go ahead and go to student.desmos.com. Yeah, we're going to play. Aha, class code's right here. So student.desmos.com. If you want to do tile pile, and everybody just go to student.desmos.com because regardless of which one you're going to do, and then we'll get you your codes going. So I'm going to turn on the TV so I can have 2 things rocking at the same time. And this does stay live, actually, I believe. So as Nathan and I were speculating yesterday, would it stay up after people leave the class? I believe it actually does. So I'm going to snapshot this and put it up on the TV. What else are people interested in doing? Is anyone interested in doing that produce stand one or the gas pump ripoff? The click battle, the robot click battle? I'll just go this way.
Yeah, I got 191 last time. I got 154. I didn't. In 3 seconds, I got 67.
You said you could do. In 3 seconds, I got 5 because I wasn't ready.
I wasn't ready.
Dang it! I want to go back.
How long it actually was? The 10 seconds.
It's because you were.
All right, so you want click battle, and we already have one launched. So ours was EBG, right? Or was ours MW? 936. Yeah, this was ours. So this will get you back in to what you were doing, I believe. Like your work should be saved if you were doing click battle yesterday.
Oh, so we can't start over.
You can't. You just go back.
Oh, okay.
I mean, or I can launch a new class if you want. You just want me to launch a
Can
new
you
one?
class?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can do that.
Oh, well, I guess I was on Joe's account.
Here, create class code. There you go. New one. XRZ 4SU. Xers 4SU.
Wait, do we need to go into a new one?
If you want to pick up the old one, you can, but Layla asked for a new one, so she could just like totally restart. Now you can always with Desmos go back and like edit what you've done, but I know with like the click thing, you may just want to start over. Are there any of these other ones that people were interested in doing?
Wait, what is it? XRZ?
Sorry, the new one, XRZ 4SU, for the new click battle. Any other ones that people would like me to launch? Yo, is everybody in one of these, or would you like to request a different one? Nathan, are you good? Are you in one? Brody, I know you are. Kevin, I can see. Aiden, I can see. Layla, you asked. Brendan, are you good? You in one? Riley, I can't see your screen. Are you good back there? I don't need to see your. I'm just asking. Yeah.
Can we do our homework now?
Yeah, so if you want to turn homework in right now or whatever, that is totally up to you. So for my people at marching band, I'm going to stop recording because there's really not anything for marching band. For my people at the band trip, I'm going to stop recording. And essentially, my advice is work on your homework over the weekend to see what you can and cannot do, so then we can ask some specific questions on Monday. But aside from that, that's pretty much it. Any other questions from you guys, random or general or whatever?
1 point 2, 4 point.
The 3 over there from Monday, Wednesday, Thursday.
So 4.2.
421 up to 423.
10 seconds.